So I'm charging the 7S 8 pack for the first time using my iCharger. Had a bit of trouble getting started, but now it seems to work. The problem I had was that I didn't connect the output to the battery. I thought I would only need to use the balance charging going in here, but I needed that one too. And then I put a lot of settings, so I put a little low voltage for the input also. So now I'm using a power source from computer. Yeah, now the fan went off also. So here I'm charging at 3 amps, and I think this is milliamps that's being loaded, and this is the voltage of the battery. So I'm gonna put 2 of these in series for my 52 volts battery. I'm also using an adapter plate here that I've connected. If you can see, here comes the batteries, 7S, and then an adapter that makes it to 10S, so it fits the iCharger. This is the 1010B plus. So when you're in this mode, charging, balancing, charging, then you can check the balance here. It's you have 6 of them here, and then the 7 is here, and the end voltage, yeah, 28.35. when I'm using a setup voltage for 4.05 for the batteries, so they won't be fully charged, since they will last longer that way. Then to get back to the normal charging, you push the start enter button. So far I like this iCharger. It can charge Life FE4 batteries also. I'm using the LiPo, which is the same as Li-on. Same voltage, maximum 4.2 volts per cell, and you can charge it with different settings here. 10 amps. Here the fan goes again. So you can also connect it to the PC. I might try that one day. Yeah. So how do I stop the charging? I press stop here. Now now I don't charge. Then I can go back, and I can also push this 3 seconds, and you get the voltage input. I have the input here from this one. It's 12 volt going inside here. I don't use that one. And V out is the battery, and you got the internal temperature. I also have a cable for external temperature, but I haven't connected it. And here you can see also the cells, the individual cells, or the group cells. So to start anew, this is like when you start, you select lithium battery, and then there, and then you can change. I've set here the maximum to 4.05 and 3 amps. You can set that individual, but I'm not gonna set it now. But then I started with this one, pushing 3 seconds, and now it starts charging, and it's balanced, you see, and you got the time.